All right, we are at the start of a really short hike, but really steep. I think the elevation gain is like 2,000, but it's only like half a mile. So really straight up. And also we have our first guest appearances on the channel today, both not facing the camera. Who we got here?
Hi, it's Chloe. It's 3 best friends.
And we got,
I don't know who her friend is, but I'm MJ's best friend, Matt.
look at the camera.
I'm really excited for this hike, and you guys are hell of a video. Don't click away.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Hit that follow button.
Hit that follow button.
And then what, we have to come back for it.
I'll come back. We don't have to come back. You guys stop crying already. Fuck.
Driving around in the mail truck.
This is a straight banger. Matt, come up too.
Come on, Matt.
My shoes, you know, I don't have the fancy hike.
That boy from East Tennessee. That boy from East Tennessee.
Boy. Oh shit! My backpack.
I think I got dinner with my family. What about me?
Okay, Matt, you. Who needs a fucking rope?
She needs a fucking rope. What a bum.
Move, Chloe, this is my shot. Move. You're better than the best. Oh, what the fuck? You really moved the rope. It's a wide shot too, so. There you go.
Is that cute?
Good.
Is that good?
M&M?
Yeah.
Foxy.
Don't worry. Fuck this, it's too hard. Hope no one else was hiking.
Forever up there. Wow. Until that tree grows back.
Yeah.
You're going left, bro. Look at the rope.
You see how steep that is?
All right, let me go. No, dummy. Oh my gosh.
Look at that ass.
It's definitely this way.
Dude, that is tough.
So psyched. This girl just fell down a mountain.
You guys see my
Fun
island
fact,
right
you can
there?
eat these. Fun fact. Huh?
You guys see my island? You're invited.
Matt, I'm gonna pan back to you. Just stay looking out. Take a deep sigh. Oh, that's a shot. Yo, this is a crazy shot, guys. Yeah, oh my god. So I can get Matt. Super soldier over here. Hit a pose right there, hit a pose right there. It's a good pose. Holy shit. Wait, let me get. Oh yeah, bro. It's a good screenshot right there. How do I look? Do I look sexy?
You look fucking good.
We're just under Pride Rock. There's maybe like a couple hundred feet that way, but my friends are tired, so as always, we gotta turn around. One of the friends is tired. I'll let you guys take your guess at who. What would you guys rate it? Let's just, you guys, 10 out of 10. Matt?
Yeah, I'll give it a solid 9.
9 out of 10. I would give this, very simple, a lot of ropes, pretty much straight uphill. I would give it an 8.5. And yeah, look at the view. Yeah, I'll trust your vision. How long have we been friends?
Well, you and I have been friends since 2nd grade, and I don't know how many years that is.
Chloe?
Since I was 14.
12 years.
Okay, what 12 years, what's your favorite thing about me?
Probably just your free spirit and willingness to just do anything.
I'd say your kindness. Your kindness. Wait,
We're gonna cut? We're gonna cut?
All right,
She's
we're
not
gonna
media
cut that.
trained.
Okay.
I'd say your kindness and generosity.
All right. Okay, Chloe and Matt, you guys are both kind of from here-ish. What's your favorite hike on island?
I love the pillbox hike. Beautiful view, really easy hike, and
You can see it maybe like far.
Yeah, if you look over there, it's
crazy far in the distance.
way over there somewhere. Yeah, so.
That's what I was gonna say.
All right, Chloe, favorite hike? You can't say that one.
I'd say this hike then.
Okay, it's the first time she's doing that hike, so I don't know how realistic that answer is. What's your guys' favorite beach on the island?
Gotta go with Sandy's every time.
Classic.
It's just a classic. A lot of good memories with the boys there.
Classic
And
Banga
Chloe,
answer. Classic.
You know, big sponger here, you know.
I've been liking the west side recently.
Okay,
Like
that's
Makua Beach. It's a pretty chill one. I feel like it's pretty empty most of the time.
All right, you guys heard it here first.
Till next time.
This is a crazy shot.
Dude, Loki, you look tough up there.
Yeah?
Just throw the camera, I'll catch it.
I'm down to throw it. I just thought about it. These videos are mostly for like if I die to remember me by, or like for my kids and stuff. It is for my kids. This would be Uncle Matt. You would just be gone probably, but what would you want to be remembered for if you died?
Like for my kids to remember me by?
Or
wait, your kids?
The people you love. I mean, I would hope.
Chill, nonchalant.
Yeah, you know, you would say something. I want to just be known as just
like that one chill
yeah.
Chill on.
But not when she says it though. It sounds.
All right.
Yeah.
What kind of auntie are you gonna be, Chloe?
Gone.
The crazy auntie.
All right, we're cutting there.
Little rich.
Can you guys both?
Though she bang, don't hide. Come on, don't hide. Come on, don't hide.
Not an Ibiso.
I basically am.
Exactly.
Let's go Chloe's way this way. It's fine.
You're not ready for it, trust me.
Chloe, what the fuck?
Why didn't we get into hiking in high school? Found my true love.
Why didn't we throw like sick parties?
Dude, I didn't go to a single high school party.
I went to one high school party and it wasn't even it was with that kid. 3-1 boys.
I actually did slip over here.
Alright, wait. I'm fighting for my life.
do shit.
Exactly. Why take it?
Exactly. Text that girl.
Text that girl.
Do that drug. Run over that homeless person. Oh, hello. Hey now. Hey now.
Hey there.
Oh, come on.
God.
It's gonna be so much.
Like Indiana Jones.
Yeah, bro.
Chloe, oh no.
No grip.
What's
Look
up
at
with you
this.
going backwards,
Because
bro?
my shoes have no grip. Stop judging and hating. Start
White shoes, black. Yeah. Oh. What was that sound?
You act like that was fucking years ago.
Back in college
Back in the
days.
good old days.
Holy. Give it some ass. All right, right after the hike, going to a secret spot. Just hopped the fence to get here because they just put a fence up. Look at this shit. Oh, these guys arguing in the background. Taking them to the signature spot, secret spot, MJ spot.
One, two, three. Yes.
Third fat joke she's made in the last 10 minutes.
All right, we're done with that spot. Matt, rate the spot.
Yeah. Spot 10 out of 10. Company, dog shit. Company is dog shit.
Chloe-
Don't ever bring Chloe with you anywhere.
Chloe did not want to get in as she was kind of in a bad mood the whole time. So, and look,
Put my legs in.
yeah, she put her legs in, guys. 10 out of 10 spot though. Holy cow. That's sick. Yeah, I got it. You guys are both in it, dummies. Matt, come take this.
Matt, help.
No, record. Don't help.
Alright.
Step stool. Step stool, huh? I'm not getting that then. Miss, do I need a step stool? Do I need a step stool now? Huh? Oh, I don't need.
No, you don't. I was just joking.
Chloe, what are we doing here?
Do I still need a step stool? What do you say? What do you say?
MJ, you're so big and tall and handsome, and you don't need a step stool.
Say that exactly.
You're so tall and you don't need a step stool at all.
I think you forgot a part. Handsome?
And you're very handsome.
Genuinely.
Genuinely.
Jen Kirk genuinely. Yeah, hold on 1 second.
No, you can't.
Mm.
What the hell is going on?
Go ahead, can you go back on the other side real quick? I'll take.
Okay, we just finished eating sushi after the little ice pond thing. But yeah, it was a really good day, really good hike. We all rated it really highly. First guest on the channel, and they're gonna do my outro. Yeah, I mean, you gotta.
Always chase a smile.
Thanks for watching.
All right, love you guys.